In this video, I will show you how to link Square appointments to your website. So this can be a website that you created on Square, but it can also be created on something else such as WordPress or Squarespace. So in order to add your Square appointments to your website so that people can actually create bookings, you need to go to your Square appointments account. Then here click on appointments. Now from here you want to go and click on online booking, and that will open up this drop down. Now the first option is channels, and that's what you want to click on, so click channels right there. And then right here you will see the online booking channels. So first of all you have your site right here for Square, but when you scroll down you will have booking channels, and you want to click either on add your booking flow to an existing site or to a Square Online site. So if you're using Square Online, you can click Get Started there, but if you have your website created somewhere else, just click Get Started on the existing site. And then there are three options. You can get your booking flow URL, which is not ideal because then it will just lead the people to a different website right here, and it's still just the Square website. But if you want to actually embed it onto your website, you can either choose to create a button, or you can actually embed the booking flow in your website, which is what I recommend to make it the most professional, because then a frame will appear on your website and they don't even need to leave your website. So to do this, you need to create an HTML block on your website. That's pretty straightforward. Doesn't really matter which website builder you are using, it is available on all of them. And then here you just want to copy this code right here and embed it into that HTML block. When you do that, you can test it and then a booking frame will show up. But you can also choose to add a booking button to your website, and this will then link to your Square customer booking flow. So to do that, click create button, choose what you want it to look like, so the colors, and you can see the preview right there. For example, this blue color. Then when you scroll down right here, you can then choose the shape, the fill, the font, and you will then here have your code. So then just copy this code, and then you can also embed that onto your website or even into an email if you want. So now you know how to link Square to your website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.